Guess what? You've been given the ultimate VIP pass to learning your times tables. Your school is going to rock the times tables with Times Tables Rockstars. Why are your teachers so excited? Not only do they love rock music, I mean, who doesn't, but they want you to get even better at your times tables. Why? Because if you improve your times tables, maths will get easier. The first time you log in, you'll meet Baz Winter, the lead singer of the TTRS band. He will ask you to choose a rock name. And then you have a variety of game types to play in, some single player and some multiplayer. In jamming, you can practice at your own pace, with no clock and no pressure. In Garage, you'll complete your heat map before you know it. In Studio, you can play to earn your rock status. And in Rocksland, you can go head to head against your friends or teachers. And there's also the awesome arenas and festivals you can play in with children from around the world. Once you start answering those times table questions correctly, you can spend your coins by heading over to the Rock Shop to customize your avatar. TT Rockstars offers you the ability to view your very own progress and keep an eye on your amazing ever-growing stats. If you're really lucky, your teacher might even arrange a battle against another class or school. So who's ready to be a rock star with Times Tables Rockstars?